Hey, so have you noticed there's been a lot more open houses lately? I've been noticing, seems like there's signs everywhere you turn. I tell you what is the purpose of an open house? I get that question quite a bit. So there's actually two purposes of an open house, and this is kind of an inside secret. You might want to listen close. The first purpose, of course, is to promote your house, to bring people in, to invite all the neighbors, so the neighbors tell other people who tell other people who tell other people, to get the word out. So it's partly marketing. But the inside secret you might not know is that open houses are mostly for the real estate agent. It's one of our best lead sources to finding new buyers and new sellers who might want to enter the market. And they walk into an open house and then we get to have a conversation with them. So, little dirty secret, it does benefit the seller a lot. But it benefits the real estate agent a lot too. So don't let anyone tell you any differently. Well, there's a scoop. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor, as hometown as apple pie.